11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. You probably know them for the Apollo missions, or the man on the moon, although that happened in the 1960s. So what's happening now? Recently, NASA has developed these amazing telescopes that take these beautiful pictures, such as the ones you see on your screen. They also tell us way more about the universe than we had known before. But recently, NASA's budget has been cut. If you look at the graph, it shows the percent of total federal budget spent upon NASA's performance. Originally, in the early 1960s, when NASA was established, this amount peaked as the Cold War and World War II and the Apollo moon missions all influenced technology. The Cold War was mainly between the United States and the Communist Union. However, this did not just apply to nuclear arm race or weapons, but instead also space. Sputnik is a prime example of the Cold War and how people wanted to get to space first to prove that their country was the best. American culture and the American government supplied more money and more support for NASA at this time, which led to the Apollo moon missions and basically a boost in American pride. I mean, we made it to the moon. However, this is not the reason for exploration. Instead, exploration is about learning as a whole group, not as an individual, contributing to the grasp of knowledge that we have available here on Earth, and exploring and discovering new things. NASA explains this idea of exploration as a growth process in its website, which I've shown here on the screen, and included the link in the description. The words of NASA not only reflect the need for more budget for space exploration, but also the words of Neil Armstrong himself. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. And that's just traveling to the moon. We can travel anywhere in the universe if we develop the technologies for it. The only way to do that is to strive to comprehend. And unfortunately, the only way to do that is to have some money. So support the need for NASA budget, not budget cuts, but the increase in the substance that gives us knowledge. So let's say lift off to the future and to NASA's budget and make the $18.8 billion they got this year a little bit bigger next time.
12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,